Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we have a unit that was sent back, a warranty return, but there's nothing wrong with it. This happens actually fairly often. That's the reason I make these videos. And it's understandable that if a customer receives a radio, does not have a video of the unit operating properly, hooks it up into his car, and it doesn't work, well, it's natural to suspect that there's something wrong with the radio, but in this case it turned out to be a speaker problem or the customer's wiring to the speakers. If customers were technicians, I'd be out of a job. So it's understandable that this happens once in a while. Sometimes a customer, instead of hiring a local technician right off the bat or getting in there on a hot summer day and trying to figure out stuff with a speaker, it can be easiest just to send it back to me and pay me the bench fee in return shipping to check it out and make sure that it is in fact working, and to send it back with a video of the unit operating. Having a video of the unit operating, it has a remarkable effect on how hard customers work to get their units working and to get their car wiring and speakers straightened out. If there's one thing that'll ensure the radio is going to come back, it's to not send a video with it. So that's one of the reasons I make these videos. It started out as the reason I made the videos was to stop customers from accusing me of burning up their speakers and stuff like that. So anyway, we'll just get on with the test here. This gentleman is using only a center dash speaker. Had me wired the conversion to his original connector, so there won't be nearly as much to test. Just basically make sure the thing works. So let's go ahead and turn her on. And you're only going to be hearing output on the left rear speaker. That's the speaker I have assigned to the okay, so we'll go back to the unit and we'll just run it through the some stations real quick just to make sure that everything's working. I forgot to note the
comes from the
customer and the city and the car this goes into. I apologize for that, but the customer will recognize his own radio, I'm sure. But just for fun, let me go ahead and find his file real quick.
Hey, love.
Okay, this radio belongs to Dennis in Moxie, Washington, and so we're just going to continue the test, go down the FM band a little bit more. This is an FM conversion in case I didn't mention that before.
Then God said to some.
Okay, we'll just jump to the end of the dial. Kind of quick. Okay, now we'll switch it to AM, and to do it on this unit, we turn it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Oh, oops. I may need a knob or a piece of rubber to do this quickly. Get a better grip on it. Off, on. Okay, I was in time. Okay, so now we're on AM.
Feel the difference clean water makes.
Visit the
There's one.
Station of both of their stores, the Big Red Barn.
I think that's the same station. And then there's one more near the middle of the band.
Fisher Investments. Fisher Investments.
Okay, and that's our strong AM station, 1130, so the dial's pretty accurate. Alrighty, so that concludes the test. We just wanted to basically make sure that this thing does in fact work, and so now when the customer is not able to get it working in his car, he'll know to check his speakers, speaker wiring, type of speaker. Possibly this may use an older electrostatic type speaker which has more than 2 terminals, and that would need to be replaced with a more modern speaker. So at any rate, the unit's working fine. I'm ready to send her back to the customer. We're just waiting for his call to pay the bench fee. and the radio's doing fine. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below, and thank you so much for watching and listening. We'll see you next time.